Hi, my name is Hilmar. I'm with the RAZER product marketing team, and I would like to show you the RAZER Mamba HyperFlux today. The RAZER Mamba HyperFlux is the newest edition of our RAZER Mamba wireless gaming mouse. This year, for 2018, we have wireless power. Wireless power means that the mouse is getting electricity via the mouse mat without a battery in the mouse itself. That allows us to create an ultra lightweight wireless gaming mouse. Comes in at 96 grams. That is even lighter as compared to some of the standard wired gaming mice like the RAZR Elite coming in at 105 grams. It's something that esports athletes that we work with have constantly been asking us for. Make the lightest possible mouse, whether it's a wired or a wireless mouse. And this is what we have done here with the Mamba HyperFlux.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, of course. So as you lift it up, you'll see that you have about a 5 or 10 seconds residual charge in the mouse that's held there via a capacitor. And after that, you would cut out electricity. But as soon as you put the mouse on the mouse mat, you'll have that power coming through evenly throughout the entire mat. And it powers a 16,000 dpi 5G RAZR optical sensor. So it's a proven sensor that we've been using in some of our other mice. It's won the League of Legends World Championships before, so it's the best gaming sensor out there. Combining that with the best wireless technology and wireless charging for an ultralight mouse. So it's really the top of the line gaming mouse with the RAZER Mamba HyperFlux. And it comes bundled with the mat, of course, that provides that power. Release date end of Q1. And it's going to cost $249 US.
From a technical perspective, how are you doing the wireless charging?
Right, so there's a magnetic coil underneath the entire mat that provides that electromagnetic power into the mouse itself. And in the mouse itself, the entire bottom surface of the mouse has that receiver and the capacitor inside.
And where's the receiver at? Is it just embedded?
Oh, it's just underneath the mouse.
Underneath the mouse,
Yeah.
okay. Can you, are there demonstrations that you'd like to show us?
No, right now we just have the early prototype here. We're refining it until we're coming out end of Q1. The one thing that I want to mention is that you can also use this in wired mode. You simply unplug the cable from the mat itself and plug it into the front of the mouse, and you have a wired gaming mouse.
No, that makes sense, so that way you don't have to bring this along.
Exactly. Right. This is for your home setup, your high-end gaming desktop station, and if you want to take it out, you just take the wire.
Perfect.
All right.
Thanks for that.